now coming to Buena Park. Got two helicopters overhead. A lot of highway patrol. And it looks like he's getting into the beach area. Driving into the bushes. Unbelievable. It's an SUV. I guess you can take it. Now he's driving up, now doing a U-turn. Looks like he's headed the wrong way on the 91 freeway. I don't know if that car can make that drive right there. It looks like he made it right through all of that ice or whatever that was there on the freeway. Tires smoking. Heads it again. He's not going to have anywhere to go. And he's hard on the brake. Here he stops. And he goes between the cars there. I was hoping to follow him. He's actually now on the left side or off the freeway. On the left. He's just looking at him. He's ready to go in and out of traffic. Unbelievable. Made it through that major car. Now looking at northbound parallel. Here we go. Hit the maneuver. And they hit him. Hit that line. Let's see if that brings him to an end. It doesn't. He's a little tire smoking. They got off to the right behind. They got hit him again. We'll see if he goes down enough. And looks like he was flying on a bike there. They had to scare the daylight out of that bike. But we'll let go. To the wrong side of the road. And again, I think we're coming up on Crenshaw here. And if he does it, no, it's Western. Makes a right turn on Western. Keeps going on Artesia now. And now he's going to have smooth sailing once again. But he's hard on the brakes. He's got nowhere to go. And they hit him right there. They hit another car. So now he's all across lanes of the 405 freeway. Looks like he hit another car. So that'll be another traffic accident to tell him. But look at how he makes it through in and out of lanes of traffic. You can look at this. A lot of hard on the brakes here. He's got cross traffic. Unbelievable. He makes it through. He's not going to make it through that. No, exactly what we're talking about. I call this guy on the wrong side of Western. And he is making his way. He's got cross traffic up ahead. Head-to-head with several cars. The big left turn. And he looks down. Oh, no. He's in the middle of the road now. Up on the 420. Looks like he's going to go across the road again. That four-wheeling there. And he hit the tree. This will be interesting to see what happens here. He's going to come out of the car. And it looks like he's going to try and make a run for it. And he does. Highway patrol right behind him. And he's now running. Looks like his hands are falling down there just a little bit. He continues to run down, away from the bridge. There's a highway patrol officer in picture here. Also, we can tell you that there is also helicopter incident. They have got, and it looks like he almost ran into that business. He's trying to go around the corner of this building now. Continues to run northbound. And his hands are falling down. He's playing the helicopter overhead. And also goes down to the road where it is. And no, he comes out. He's running. I would just be out of by now, but he keeps going. Must be the adrenaline, and there's the sheriff's department people. Just the public trying to help. It looks like he's doing it right. It looks like that was the officer from none other